All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 5 of digital learning. We are getting to the end of our quadrilaterals unit. We're getting close to the end of the school year as well. So thank you for everyone who has been keeping up with all the different lessons and getting those done. You're going to be prepared for middle school next year. So what we're going to do this week, we're going to do a scavenger hunt today or anytime this week you have time, and then we're going to take a quiz on Wednesday or before Friday, basically. So both things are going to be due before Friday, and they will come live, one today, obviously, and then one on Wednesday. So let me share my screen. Not going to take very much of your time today with my video. So here's lesson 9. You have 3 things to do. So you're doing the first one right now, my video. Then you have a scavenger hunt video that's 2 or 3 minutes long, not very long, kind of goes over some of the different things that you guys are going to be doing today. And then it says complete all highlighted sections and turn in lesson 9. So you just have one document today to work on. So when you click on this, you are going to be going on a scavenger hunt. Now, if you have an older sibling, or if your parents let you go outside, or you want to go on a walk with your parents, pets, you can go outside. I want you to try to find quadrilaterals in your neighborhood as you go around, as you go for a walk. And if that doesn't work for you, I want you to find them in your house. So you can do any of the different ways. You can find throughout the neighborhood or in your home, whatever is easiest and whatever your parents allow you to do. So it says to draw the quadrilateral next to the category below. Try to find a quadrilateral for each category for a total of 8. So if you notice here, you've got all these different ones that you're going to try to find. So just a quadrilateral here, it's just a 4-sided shape, just without any of these dimensions. Parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, trapezoid, kite, and isosceles trapezoid. So if you don't remember what an isosceles trapezoid is, make sure you go back to lesson 4 and look at the materials that I've provided there for you. Okay, so you have all these different ones, and you have the internet, guys. If you aren't sure what one of these shapes is, look it up on the internet. Look up the different attributes and dimensions online to help you to draw those out. So you're trying to find 8 of those. So you can find them on the sidewalk, living room, bedroom, in the woods, anywhere where you want to go, and you can find these quadrilaterals for a scavenger hunt. So kind of being active today and going out and doing something. Once you find them, so you can draw them on a piece of paper, I want you then to graph them. So you're going to pick any, and you're going to pick 6 of the 8 to draw. So you're going to put them, you can just draw your graphs again like we talked about last week. You can draw your graphs, and then you can actually graph them, tell me what the name is, and then what's the coordinate grid coordinate pairs for it. So for example, I could say that this one was, if this was a square, and remember, I can delete, guys, I can get rid of, not there. Oh, I see what happened. I gotta delete this one, yeah. So I just wanna make sure it doesn't kind of go off into the other one. You kind of have to mess with that for a little bit. You can just hit the space bar to make sure that it goes in the correct spot. So sometimes it's just kind of weird when you type it in, and then you put the coordinate pair, so it might be like 1, 2, 1, 5. Then it might be, so if it was like 1, 2 would be here. Let me get my drawing to show you. Okay, let's see. Let's put a little check. Okay, so we said 1, 2. We said 1, 5. So we'd also want one that would be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We got one here and one here. So it would also be 1, 6. Oops. 1, 6. And it would also be 5, 6, right? And that could be a square. So that's what you would just put in there, and you would just type those in and tell me the actual names of places that you saw your different shapes. Okay, so trying to find 8 in total. I will delete this as well when I go back to it. All right, so that's the first 2 pages. And then the last couple pages is just a review. Once again, it tells you where the actual coordinate planes are, tells you where to start, what shape was created, and then how do you know? So review from last week, going over, just continue to drawing these in, and you've got 4 of those as review from last week. So hopefully not anything too complicated today, guys. This is kind of just a review, and then we will take a quiz on Wednesday. So go on a little scavenger hunt throughout your house, throughout your neighborhood, somewhere where you can find the different shapes, get them drawn, and then tell me the coordinate grids of where they go on your grid. So make sure you're drawing those grids out on your paper to show the different shapes. Okay? All right, I will see you guys the live session tomorrow, or I will see you back again on Wednesday for your quiz. All right, good luck. Go ahead and head on your scavenger hunt now.